IMO is an ideal solution to problems in inclusive education. Every year, the number of children with learning and behavioral disorders increases. Conversely, the ability of pupils to read and to listen with understanding is decreasing. In the program, learning techniques are practiced using foreign words. Everyone subconsciously adopts the ones he needs the most and uses the ones closest and the ones he likes. With the program, it is possible to work in one group with children of different age and with individual approach. Not difficult in technical way. The IMO program is accessible on internet with a computer, laptop, or tablet. All you have to do is have a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, and others, except from Internet Explorer. You type in a play.imo.sr website, a nickname, a password, and you can work at school or at home 24 hours a day. Easy to use. The program is set, so after training, children will be able to play as well. Everywhere in the program, there are tutorials, both written and spoken. Nevertheless, the introduction of a new program into work can raise concerns. That's why there are instructional videos at imo.sr/webin on how to use the program. After training and purchasing the program, we provide free webinar care for teachers, psychologists, assistants, and parents. High effectiveness and efficiency for every child. In a few minutes, the kids will practice concentration, attention, spatial vision, imagination, color differentiation, subject relationships, associations, and deductive abilities. The second part is focused on reading and listening with understanding the text, creating sentences, writing, communication, subject relationships, associations, deduction, imagination, concentration, short-term and long-term memory. You can also add drawing and pantomime. For children with learning and behavioral disorders. The program was created mainly for children with special learning needs and for children with attention deficit disorder. It aims to make pupils learn faster, easier, and more independently. It is therefore suitable for children integrated with learning and behavioral disorders such as dyslexia, dysgraphy, dysorthography, ADHD, ADD, and others. The program has been proven to be useful for children with learning difficulties and socially disadvantaged children. Use in kindergartens and in 1st to 9th grade of primary school. They mainly use warm-up in the kindergarten. Since there are recordings and pictures in the warm-up, children who cannot read or write are able to do it too. In the game itself, instead of children, the teacher writes. Using the projector, the teacher works with the whole class at the same time. At the primary school, there are special teachers, psychologists, and assistants working on individual sessions with children, developing specific skills or doing free time activities in groups in the afternoon. Flexibility of IMO. You can adapt the way you work with the program to pupils' special needs. It is even possible to use the program as a sound recording only. You can set the IMO according to age, knowledge, interests of the child by choosing the grade, difficulty, or the topics. By appropriately selecting topics, the program can be used as an aggression, violence, or bullying prevention. The program can be used in English or other languages and is therefore suitable for national minorities and immigrant children. IMO is also used as a complementary program for learning a foreign language. Additional value. When working in a group, children are subconsciously guided to accept and respect others. They get to know each other and deepen their relationships. They share knowledge and learn from each other. At the same time, they practice to say something that others can understand, regardless of age, gender, ethnicity, or social environment. They are more disciplined. Even smaller children can concentrate on the game during the warm-up and the game. They acquire the skills and knowledge they subconsciously use in every subject. They already understand more just from passive listening, and they'll find a subject in school that will interest them. Therefore, IMO creates a positive attitude towards school. The program not only motivates children, but also teaches them subconsciously. If children work in a workbook, the teacher has measurable feedback. It can be checked backwards and see the improvement. The database of program, words, pictures, recordings, or sentences are constantly being added. Therefore, children can practice techniques every day. There is no need to prepare something ahead. Cooperation with special teachers and psychologists and prevention centers. IMO has support from counseling and centers experts who recommend it to schools, kindergartens, and parents of children with learning and behavioral problems. Bargain prices for parents. If the school or kindergarten has the program purchased, parents can sign up their children for an online education at a discounted price. Children at home mostly use the workbook to express themselves, and the teachers then at school guess the meaning of the word. This is an excellent and measurable feedback. The results appear much faster in children. In addition, the relationship between the pupil parent and the teacher is strengthening. Financially available. Many kindergartens and schools have already bought the program. For kindergartens and small classes, the prices are discounted.